Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a password to Excel. So here we go. Got Excel document open. To add a password, very quick and easy. Go to File, Info. You got Protect Workbook. So click on this box and then choose Encrypt with Password. So select that. Type in the password that you want. Press OK. It'll then ask you to re-enter the same password. Press OK again. Make sure you do remember your password. And there you go, your password has been added. So I'll just save that like usual. And then when I reopen the document, it will ask me for the password. In fact, I'll show you this. So here is the file. I'm just going to double click on it. And there you go, it's asking for a password. I'll enter the password. Click OK, I'm into the document. Hopefully you found this video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips. Thank you very much.